Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm excited to share with you my recent experience at the World Hairdressing Championship, an event I attended last week. It was absolutely amazing and I'll show you the different categories that the participants had to do and awesome hairstyles they made. I also know a lot of you are wondering why I didn't compete this year. I'll explain that in this video, and if you are thinking about joining a championship like this in the future, I'll got some tips and info for you. So let's get started and learn all about this amazing hairstyling event. Let's dive into the first category of the championship, which was all about daytime hairstyles in the modern women's category. So what were the rules? Participants had to create a festive hairstyle on long hair, at least 20 centimeters. Once they said start, you could use any tool you wanted. But here's the catch: the hairstyle had to be loose and free-flowing when finished. No pins, no hair bands, no clips, nothing should be left in the hair. Each stylist could add one special hair element, whatever shape or direction they liked. However, no fake hair or hair pieces allowed and no decorations in the hairstyle either. The judges were looking for two things: the shape of the hairstyle and how clean and neat it was. And they had just 40 minutes to nail it. Before the championship, I tried searching in the internet to see what hairstyles in this category looked like. And let me tell you, I was a bit scared. I found some pretty complex styles and thought, without a coach there is no way I could pull that off. That's actually why I decided not to complete. And right now on the screen you can see the hairstyles that I thought everyone would be doing. But now let me show you what the participants really did. It turns out you could create simple styles like curls like braids, or even a Hollywood wave, just adding one element like a bow, for example. And I asked a coach if a basic Hollywood wave would actually meet the requirements. And guess what? She said yes, because it's a style on completely loose hair and fits the rules. She also mentioned that winning with such a simple hairstyle might be tough, and it was. But participating is definitely possible. So if you are like me, worried that you can't handle this category without a coach, watch this video. You can totally participate in the daytime fashion category with any kind of curls. If your goal isn't to win, but just to take part, this is a fantastic opportunity. So let's take a look at the amazing creations in this category and then move on to the next one.
Your attention, please. 3, 2.
Now let's move on to the second category. Fantasy women's category in hairstyles, technical bridal hairstyle. The rules here were as follows. The hair must be up with only 3% of the strands allowed to be loose. All types of tools were permitted after the command start. Decorations. The use of decorations was allowed and they had to match the completed hairstyle. Makeup, it needed to be bright, accessories could be long, voluminous and had to complement the overall look. Participants had to create a technical bridal hairstyle on long hair in zone 3 or at the 0-2 point. This means at the top of the head and possibly even a larger volume closer to the face. As you can see, this is indeed a very complex technical task that requires training specifically with a coach, because there are many nuances in the direction, volume points and various elements. Moreover, decorations and clothing which participants prepare in advance on their own are very important here and require a lot of creative effort.
Hairstyles. First style, technical lady hairstyles. 7 p.m. Usually the rooms let the technicians prepare for the opening ceremony.
So that was the first day of the championship with just 2 categories in hairstyles. In the next video I'll talk about the second day of the championship, where there were more categories and incredible looks. If you found this interesting, please share your thoughts in comments, and remember, I'm not suggesting you to go to the championship without a coach or preparation, but I also want you to not be afraid of such events and, if possible, find an opportunity to participate. Unfortunately, there is no much information on the internet, so I hope I can inspire someone to participate, at least in the day hairstyle category. Good luck to everyone and see you in the next videos. Bye!
Уважаемые модели, в случае, если вы почувствуете, что вы плохо себя чувствуете, вы должны предупредить